Hello and welcome to this video. I'm going to briefly describe the components of Power BI. Power BI consists of three parts. The first part is called the Power BI Desktop. The Power BI Desktop is a free application that you can install on your local computer. It lets you connect to, transform, and also visualize your data. With the Power BI Desktop, you can connect to multiple different sources of data and combine them. This process is often called modeling. So you can combine them into a data model that lets you build visuals and collections of visuals that you can share as reports with other people inside your organization. Most users who work on business intelligence projects will use the Power BI Desktop to create reports. So the Power BI Desktop is a Windows desktop application that is free to download and install. The second component part of Power BI is called the Power BI service. This is basically an online software as a service that basically allows users to share their reports with others. The third component part of Power BI is called the Power BI mobile apps. So these are basically apps that are available on Windows Phone, tablets. They are also available on Apple iOS and on Google Android devices. So these three elements, the desktop, the service, and the mobile apps, are designed to let people create, share, and consume business insights in the way that serves them best. How you use Power BI basically depends on the type of role or project that you are engaged in. So this means that you can use each element of the Power BI at different times depending on what you are trying to achieve or what your role is for a given project.